Now today, Halloween is right around the corner, so bam, we're working with these bad boys. Beautiful, like oh my god. I am here today making the most basic vanilla cake recipe ever. To amp it up, we're gonna add some strawberry coulis, swirl it around that vanilla so that you can get that moist, beautiful strawberry flavor as you take a bite. Hi everyone, it's me Samantha again, your baking bestie.
Alright guys, first things first, we're gonna measure out our butter and sugar in the same bowl. In a separate bowl, we're measuring out our flour and our baking powder. Next, we're measuring out our milk, egg, and vanilla extract. Alright, just using a wooden spoon, I'm gonna mix together the butter and the sugar just so it's well incorporated. Once that's done, I'm going to add my wet ingredients and continue to mix. Next up, add your flour mixture in and mix that together slowly. Alright, let's spray down our skull pans and we're going to distribute the batter evenly into each skull and spread it around. I'm going to put a spoonful of strawberry coulis over each skull, and using the opposite side of the fork, I'm going to swirl it. I put these in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are interested, I will be posting a video of how I decorated these skulls. See you on the next one.